Having adequate intake of fruit and vegetables helps prevent obesity and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. To promote the consumption of fruit, the Department of Health had organised the Joyful Fruit Day event annually since the 2006-07 school year, encouraging students to learn about fruit and cultivate healthy habits starting from school. In the 2012-13 school year, the event was upgraded to the Joyful Fruit Month. April has been established as the publicity month every year since then. In the 2025-26 school year, the event is officially upgraded to the Joyful Fruit and Veg Month, with the aim of raising students' awareness towards a sufficient intake of fruit and vegetables, as well as healthy eating and encouraging them to take action. The event is organised by the Department of Health, co-organised by the Education Bureau, the Committee on Homeschool Cooperation, the Hong Kong College of Cardiology, and the Hong Kong Education City, and supported by the Food and Environment Hygiene Department, the Jump Rope for Heart Programme, the Radio Television Hong Kong Radio 1, and the Federations of Parent-Teacher Associations in all districts in Hong Kong. Why is cultivating a habit of eating fruit and vegetables so important for children during growth?
養成食蔬果嘅習慣，可以增強佢哋嘅抵抗能力，減少生病嘅機會，亦可以增強佢哋嘅消化能力，保持腸道嘅健康，減少便秘嘅機會，而且亦可以促進腦部嘅發展，提升佢哋嘅學習能力。
In response to the event's upgrade to the Joyful Fruit and Veg Month, the Department of Health has produced a series of materials for promoting fruit and vegetables available for schools to obtain free of charge. We encourage all schools to systematically organise year-round promotional activities and push the mood to a climax during the Joyful Fruit and Veg Month in April. Let's take a look at how schools support the Joyful Fruit and Veg Month and convey the message of eat more fruit and vegetables.
老師利用健康飲食在校園網頁裏面嘅學習資源套，包括水果營養資訊、蔬果常識挑戰站、水果漫畫系列等等，設計我哋自己校本嘅宣傳活動，讓學生加強認識蔬果嘅種類同埋益處，亦都利用衛生署已經設計好俾學校用嘅活動教材同埋工作紙等等，以提升學生同埋家長對多進食蔬果嘅關注度。學校亦都經常張貼相關嘅海報啦，製作大型嘅壁報，營造環境以加強宣傳，讓同學們明白每天吃蔬果有益身心同埋健康嘅信息。
我最中意食嘅水果係蘋果，因為佢好香甜，同埋有俗語話一日一蘋果，醫生遠離我。而我最中意嘅蔬菜就係生菜，因為佢好爽口。
我哋每個月都有個蔬果日啦。蔬果日裏邊我哋老師會精心挑選一款嘅蔬果去推介俾同學，甚至乎介紹蔬果裏邊嘅產地啊、特性啊，或者佢有咩功效。最後我哋有個抽獎嘅環節，如果留心聽嘅同學係會獲得老師精心挑選嘅蔬果嘅，讓小朋友去養成食蔬果嘅好習慣嘅。
How can schools encourage parents to participate in promoting the benefits and good habit of eating fruit and vegetables, achieving homeschool cooperation?
喺家校合作方面我哋會定期向家長發放一啲學校餐單啦，仲有健康資訊嘅宣傳單張，仲有社工都會安排營養師做一啲講座，教家長點樣將一啲蔬果啦加入去菜式裏邊，仲有點樣去做一啲營養健康嘅小食。家長嚟緊都會同我哋一齊出一本幸福食譜，裏邊我哋鼓勵將五色蔬果加入喺日常嘅菜式裏邊，希望學生喺屋企裏邊都可以一齊享受到健康飲食。
How have the students changed after participating in the event under homeschool cooperation?
經過活動之後我發覺小朋友個習慣係真係改變咗，因為我哋有蔬果月啦。久而久之小朋友係會接受食蔬果係一個對佢自己有好多好處嘅一個習慣啦。而家長亦都會配合學校準備好多唔同蔬果俾佢哋，所以喺佢哋細個嘅時候係好容易養成到呢個咁好嘅習慣㗎。
Over the past 20 years, we've been committed to creating a school environment conducive to healthy eating, continuously safeguarding students' health and walking alongside them as they grow. We'd like to express our gratitude to every supporting organisation, school, parent and student for your support and active participation over the past 20 years. Looking ahead, we'll continue to work hand in hand to embed healthy eating habits in school, enabling more children to grow up happily and healthily.
齊齊參與，開心蔬果月。